The Black Cat target knob functions as a secure coin holder, so there is no more slipping and fiddling with a screwdriver or loose coin. The knob fits over the threads of the external coin slot turrets that are located on the top and side. The coin in the knob fits in the coin slot of the scope when the knob is pressed in place. The knob fits scopes with a 7/8 inch diameter adjustment housing that is 5/16 inch deep. Note that the coin is 1/16 inch thick. The bright laser spot is from the bore sighter. When the knob is turned, the crosshairs in the scope move into alignment with the laser spot or the bullet cluster on your target. When the knob is turned, you can hear and feel the clicks. The Black Cat target knob is for low-cost scopes, such as the Centerpoint and NC Star brand scopes, with a coin slot.